Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XS Scuba cylinder holder. So this is a handy little gadget to help store your cylinders and stop them from rolling around. So this is the thing itself. The main frame itself is made out of plastic, so it's nice and light. You have 6 attachment points, and you do get screws with this as well. And this is made so that you can stack them up. So we have this little dovetail joint and the female on the other side, so you can get multiples and sort of stack them next to one another. So as you can see, it has a nice sort of shape to it. So that means that you can either put this sort of against a wall so that your cylinder is upright, or you can lay it down on the floor and bolt it down, and that stops it from rolling around. Or you can put it in the back of your truck and again stops them rolling around whilst you're driving. So you have the bungee section that just keeps that tension on the cylinder and holds it in, and then a very simple sort of loop system. So say we were to lock it down, we've got a cylinder here, that just sits in the cradle really easily, and then over here you've got this little grab handle, but as long as it goes over that little loop and that holds it in position, stops it from twisting, stops it from sliding, and stops it from rolling around. Fantastic way of stopping your cylinders from moving, either in the back of your truck or whilst in storage at home. So this is the XS Scuba cylinder holder. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.